In the heart of the frozen mountains, a towering figure named Bigfoot gazes down at the world below, his yearning for connection gradually overpowering his fear. Bigfoot takes his first steps down from the mountains, his massive footprints creating tremors that ripple through the village. The villagers peer out from their windows, their faces etched with shock and fear. Murmurs of disbelief and judgment ripple through the crowd as they eye Bigfoot warily. Fear and ignorance blind their hearts, preventing them from seeing beyond appearances. A group of villagers band together, their voices full of suspicion and malice. They cast accusations at Bigfoot, blaming him for their misfortunes and casting him as a danger to their lives. Panic engulfs the village as stones rain down from above. In the midst of the chaos, Bigfoot emerges as an unexpected ally, using his strength to shield the villagers from harm. Surrounded by doubt and fear, Noah breaks free from the crowd and reaches out to Bigfoot. Their hands clasp, bridging the gap between two worlds, and a spark of understanding blossoms. In Jane's eyes, Bigfoot sees acceptance and compassion. Their unspoken understanding weaves a fragile thread of connection, defying societal norms and expectations. Bigfoot and Jane and Noah, they confront the myriad challenges that arise with unwavering resilience. Their differences become their strength, opening their hearts to the possibility of a shared future. Amidst a village once filled with fear and judgment, a sense of hope emerges. Bigfoot, Noah, and Jane stand as a symbol, a testament to the power of understanding and the beauty of embracing differences.